Today, we're diving into an important algebra topic: factorization of perfect square trinomials. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to spot and factor them instantly. Before we start factorizing, let's understand what a trinomial actually is, and how it's different from a monomial or a binomial. Monomial. A monomial is an expression with one term. Examples are 5x minus 3, 7, a squared b. It's just a single term, no addition or subtraction separating each terms. Binomial. A binomial is an expression with two terms. Examples: x plus 3, 2a minus 5. Two terms, joined by a plus or minus sign. Trinomial. A trinomial is an expression with three terms. Examples include x squared plus 6x plus 9, or 3a squared minus 2a plus 1. It usually includes a squared term, a linear term, and a constant. So when we say perfect square trinomial, we're talking about a special three-term expression that factors into the square of a binomial. A perfect square trinomial follows one of these patterns: s squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. It always factors into a plus b all square, or a minus b all square. Also, by expanding the factors, we will get the respective trinomial. Let's expand a plus b all square. This equals bracket a plus b times bracket a plus b. A times a equals a squared. A times b equals ab. B times a equals ab. B times b equals b squared. Now combine like terms. ab plus ab equals 2ab. So the full expression becomes s squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That's a perfect square trinomial. Also, expand a minus b all square. This equals bracket a minus b times bracket a minus b. A times a equals a squared. A times minus b equals minus ab. Minus b times a equals minus ab. Minus b times minus b equals b squared. Combine like terms. Minus ab equals minus 2ab. So we get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, another perfect square trinomial. How to identify a perfect square trinomial in simple steps. Step 1. Is the first term perfect square? Step 2. Is the last term a perfect square? Step 3. Multiply the square roots of the first and last terms, then double it. Does it match the middle term? If all three conditions are true, it's a perfect square trinomial. Let's compare two examples. Example 1. X squared plus 10x plus 25. Is the first term a perfect square? X squared equals x times x, a perfect square. Is the last term a perfect square? Last term, 25, equals 5 times 5, a perfect square. Is the middle term in the form 2 times a times b, where a and b are the square root of the first term and last term respectively. Square root of x squared is x, square root of 25 is 5. So 2 times x times 5 equals 10x, which matches the middle term. Therefore, x squared plus 10x plus 25 is a perfect square trinomial. It meets all three conditions. Example 2. X squared plus 10x plus 24. First term, x squared, which is a perfect square. Last term, 24, not a perfect square. Square root of 24 is not a whole number. Middle term, 2 times x times square root of 24 is not equals to 10x. So this is not a perfect square trinomial. It can still be factored but not as a square. Test your understanding. Which of these is not a perfect square trinomial? A. X squared plus 8x plus 16. B. X squared minus 12, x plus 36. C. X squared plus 6x plus 25. D. 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. Comment your answer below. Now that you know how to identify perfect square trinomials, in the next video we'll learn how to factor them step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Maths Masterclass. See you soon.